Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s. In this video I'll show you how to change work and home location in Google Maps. So, let's open Google Maps. Tap button in the right corner, go to Settings and edit Home or Work. Tap on Home and enter home address or choose point on map. For example here. Now let's do the same thing with work. Enter work address or choose point on map. For example here. Now we can navigate from home to work. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.